Okay, first I want to say hello and thanks for taking the time to watch this video. My name is Jeff and my company is Belanger Solutions. And the point of the video is to show you how you could increase the value of your company and your online exposure with a business website. What you need to rank on Google and get exposure within your website are three things: content, backlinks, and citations. Now understand, every time that you type something here into Google, you are actually typing keywords that Google uses to look for websites that best fit this search criteria, search engine optimization, SEO. Google crawls millions and millions of websites daily looking for content relevant to these keywords, and then Google categorizes these websites based on their content. This is how you establish rank. Now you want 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on your site, depending on your competition and number of keywords that are needed. Now, backlinks, like I mentioned, backlinks is where one website links to another. It's like an endorsement of your website from another website, and Google uses that to build trust within you. Also, citations, name, address, phone number, as shown exactly on your Google Business profile. If you don't have a Google Business profile, it's highly recommended that you build one. It directly connects to your business through the citations, and it helps you rank on the map. Right here is the map section of Google. There's a lot of people that travel through this map. This helps provide your service location with your citations and helps you rank here. Citation directories are Yelp, Angie, Better Business Bureau, Yellow Pages. And once Google sees your business being referenced more often than your competitors, the more likely you are to bring value to your business and move up the rank structure. Everything underneath the map is considered an organic rank that will come with the content and the backlinks within your website. Yelp is an advertisement, Angie is an advertisement. But you see here, Tree Removal Rhode Island. This particular business is number 3 on the first page of Google. I typed in Tree Service, Providence, Rhode Island. Now you do not have a website, but they do. So I wanted to pull up their website and I wanted to show you how this works or how companies get on the first page of Google. I have this tool, it's called Ahrefs, and it shows me what's going on behind the scenes and how they were able to rank or get the exposure on Google with the first page. They have 381 backlinks. Now remember, those are websites that link to another that endorse this particular site. They have 86 referring domains, and they have 122 keywords, and that generates them 142 views per month of traffic to their website. Let's understand that not all backlinks are created equal. You do want a backlink with a strong domain rank and a fair amount of traffic coming through it per month. These are the backlinks that this particular company has and the amount of traffic per month coming through. This generates trust within Google that your business is trustworthy and it is known. Also, keywords. Take a look at keywords. Now understand, every time you type into here, these are keywords that Google is looking for websites with the most relevant content for the correct search. Now this is per month, 300 times. Tree Service Rhode Island gets searched per month. Tree Trimming Cumberland, Rhode Island, 150 times. Licensed Tree Removal Service near me, 300 times. And these keywords go on and on all the way down. Warwick Tree Service, not sure if that's relevant, but that is 900 times. Tree Service Attleboro, 70 times. So these numbers here, this is the amount of exposure per month, combined total, that the website receives. This is all people looking for services. So when you have a correctly built website, your citations and your backlinks and your keywords come into play, Those numbers of exposure or people that are looking for you will generate more leads and more customers and more sales. It's important that you understand the value of a well-built website and what that can bring for your business and the increased traffic and getting yourself out there so people can see you. Many companies build beautiful websites, but they may fall short when it comes to the content. Without a correctly built website, it is like having a business card on a desert island. Nobody will see it. So it's important to have the right content and backlinks and the right trust and endorsements built into your site to get you ranked onto the first page and get the exposure that you're looking for. If you find yourself wanting some more information or some research done to find out what realistic goals you may or may not have for your business, I would be more than willing to work with you. Again, I hope you have a better understanding of how this works and the importance of a well-built site and the value that it can bring to you and your company. I want to say thank you for watching and have a great day.